Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden shovel. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Radius Garden Root Slayer Shovel. The Radius Garden Root Slayer is an awesome tool for landscapers and gardeners whose main tasks are planting and repotting. However, it's still heavy-duty enough for more aggressive digging and root cutting, aka slaying. Its round, ergonomic handle and 45-inch shaft make it perfect for those crouching or working on their knees, while its large steps give you more power and leverage than the typical short, lightweight garden trowel. The blade is serrated on either side. While we managed to saw through a 4-inch diameter branch eventually, our testers found it very useful to make small cuts through roots and thinner branches without needing to switch tools. The Root Slayer falls into some of the traps of other specialized shovel tools. While its blade is wider and more suited to earth moving than the narrow-bladed Root Assassin, it still can't hold a candle to a standard, longer-handled shovel, which we believe is mandatory for all-day digging work. However, if your main demands of a shovel are breaking up rooty soil and digging smaller, precise holes for your plants, the Root Slayer has you covered. Pros: ergonomic circular handle, serrated blade, massive step. Durable. Cons: expensive. Number 2. Bond LH015 Mini D Handle Shovel. The Bond LH015 Mini D Handle Shovel is ready to tackle light-duty planting jobs in soft or previously turned soils. Due to its short handle, it's best to work while kneeling in the garden bed with a flat of annuals by your side. However, should you encounter an odd rock or thin root, you can stand up and go at it, thanks to the small steps included on this shovel. This shovel's D-shaped handle helps alleviate its lack of leverage somewhat and allows you to hang it for storage, while the Mini D is much better suited for digging than a narrow handheld trowel. It simply can't compete with its bigger cousins. Though the specialized root-busting shovels we tested are slightly larger than the Bond Mini D, they are much better at digging through compact, rooty soils. The product description for this shovel advertises a metal handle, which is obviously incorrect in the model we purchased. We like that the shaft is lighter weight fiberglass, but we're not happy with the plastic D handle we expected to be made from a stronger metal. Instead of using for long digging sessions, this might be most useful for small digging jobs in flower beds, or for lifting and moving dirt and other garden debris. Number 3. Fiskars Steel Garden Spade Shovel. Whether the goal is to slice through thick roots, neaten up the edges of the lawn, move a pile of compost or soil, or remove a section of lawn, the Fiskars Garden Spade is up to the task. With its steel shaft, this spade is extremely sturdy but weighs under 5 pounds. A great feature is the extra-large D-shaped grip, which is big enough for both hands to grasp, providing extra control and strength while working. The comfortable, non-slip grip helps to drive the hardened steel blade into compacted soil and clay without an issue. The flat-top blade is ideal for edging, trenching, and slicing through thick turf, making it a great choice for cutting and laying new sod. Since the rest of this shovel is steel, we would have preferred a built-in steel handle instead of the one made of polyresin with an attachment that can fail over time. Also, while the tool is welded, the metal around strong welds can break if stressed excessively. We would like to see stronger steel throughout the head instead of the added welds. Still, this would be an excellent long-lasting choice for moderate use. Pros: durable construction, lightweight, medium-duty design, comfortable to work with, sharp edge for easier digging. Cons: poly handle is less durable than steel. Number 4. Root Assassin 48-inch Garden Shovel. The Acme Tools Root Assassin is a specialized tool for sawing through thick roots that stand in the way of your next trench or post hole. Its narrow blade makes it much easier to maneuver and saw in small spaces and holes. The blade itself has offset, alternating teeth that make back-and-forth sawing action more efficient than models with teeth that all face the same direction. Finally, its full carbon steel construction and welded blade are ready to stand up to hundreds of jobs in our assessment, as long as it's not used for prying. Due to its specialized features, the Root Assassin is by no means one shovel to rule them all. It has an exceptionally narrow blade that's not suited to moving a lot of earth in a short amount of time. The handle on the model we tested is 32, so it's hard on your back unless you're working close to the ground. Plus, a shorter handle means less leverage. The Root Assassin can't compete with or replace a traditional wide-bladed shovel, but it's a great tool to have on standby on a digging job, and it's super handy for replanting small shrubs in your yard. Number 5. Ashman Round Shovel D Handle Grip. The Ashman Drain Spade tied for first as the best drain shovel. What is a drain spade? A drain spade is an excellent tool for clearing out trenches and digging in tight spaces. The Ashman drain spade features a steel blade and a 48-inch long fiberglass handle, weighing in at only 3.7 pounds. This garden tool's lightweight design is sure to give your tired muscles a break. It will help you cultivate your plants and crops effortlessly. The shaft of this tool is made with fiberglass and was given heat treatment to increase its durability. Its handle is also designed in a D shape to provide you with a good grasp while working on hard soil. Additionally, its blade is made of high-quality steel and has a teardrop design that makes it possible to dig deeper into the soil. To support it, the sharp edges of the blade cut through hard rocks and stones which block the way. It is a perfect gardening tool for any kind of garden. Pros: steel blade, fiberglass handle, has a step for foot placement, lightweight, ergonomic D-handle grip. Cons: a fiberglass handle is not as durable as a steel handle.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.